My name is Moon Thomas, and I am super excited to be here with my mom, Angela, today. Mom, this was like one of your second time seeing me on the stage. What did you think?
You did very well. Very proud of you.
That was an important, pivotal time for me to be speaking at the Atlanta Black Expo 2026. Very honored to be a speaker today, and my topic was reimagining healthcare. Now, honestly, when the dates came up, I immediately thought, okay, the 20th. And then I said, oh, the 20th of February is my Nana's birthday. My mom's mom. Her birthday is today. My Nana, funny enough, is probably the main reason why I think Medicare is my lane in the insurance industry. When I was about, I don't know, when I was a kid, first of all, I'm the oldest and I'm the first grandchild. So I was everybody's baby. And I was with her and my aunts and my mom and both of my grandmas on both sides. Just wherever they were, I was, right?
Yes.
So that means when I was about 10, maybe even 5, all my friends were retired.
She hung out with the old people.
I did. I mean, we used to go to Friendly's. We used to get the senior citizen discounts. Hey, we were everywhere where they were on sale for having that Medicare card. So, like I said, I was joking. I said I probably was writing checks at about 11.
Probably.
Right.
And hanging with Nana. Yes.
And then here, what was the insurance guy? We had the insurance man come around.
Harper.
Yeah, he used to come around and collect the checks. That's how long ago that was. I remember that though. So these are things, and even with insurance, I believe my grandma really always instilled in me, keep your insurance policy outside of your job. So she was very ahead of her time, do you think?
Yeah, she was very smart.
Very smart. She was an entrepreneur. Like, I'm thinking of all the ways I probably just am following in her footsteps, but a different industry.
Right.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so excited. Listen, y'all. We are just having a good time today. I'm glad you were able to be here with me today, Mom.
Yes,
this is
6
just the
a.m.
beginning.
Wake up call.
She never gets up for anyone before 6 a.m. So I feel very honored. Thank you very much. I love y'all and I mean it. Till next time.
All right.